Hey guys, I'm going to show you healthy hair care DIYs, 3 different types of ways you can grow out your hair and help it reach its full potential of healthiness. So either I want to wear my hair straight, or if I want to wear my hair wavy and curly, or if I just want to wear my hair in its natural state. I always follow these hair care rules and tips, so let's start off with rosemary. So we're going to start off with a rosemary hair rinse. You're going to need natural plants of rosemary. You can get it at the grocery store. Put it into a pot with water and bring it to a boil. Once it's a boil, it will turn a different color and transfer it into jars without the leaves. So this is very important to let it cool, and you'll get something like this. After, on dry hair, before shampooing and conditioning, completely soak your hair with this water and allow it to sit in for 45 minutes to an hour, and then shampoo and condition. If not, you can do a spray bottle, so before you get into a shower, instead of pouring it, you can just spritz it and drench your hair in it. I then go ahead and shampoo and condition after leaving it in for an amount of time, and this has really helped my hair grow back. It grows like a weed if you use this method. The next thing we're going to do is some aloe vera. So aloe vera I use as a scalp mask. You're going to need the natural plants. You can also find this at the grocery store. Soak it in water once you cut off the end overnight, so that way all of the gunk can come out of it. Then it's ready to use. Cut it into pieces and then de-skin it. Make sure to get all the meat and the juice off the leaves as much as you can. I then add water and blend it. Blend. I say blend 3 times because it's really important to get it to a smooth consistency at least, and put it in the fridge. Even though it's going to be sticky and goopy still, it's going to be a lot smoother than just rubbing the plant onto your head. Plus, since we soaked it overnight, all of that sap that we don't want in the hair mask has come out. So I use a hair dye brush and a bowl, and I just paint this onto my scalp. I love this because it treats dandruff. But I do have to admit, this is one of the most time-consuming plus hardest to wash out. It completely dries down, so it gets super hard and sticky, but that's okay because the benefits are amazing. I just shampoo and make sure to rinse it out really well, and then my scalp is completely clear the next day. Dandruff is gone, it feels smooth, refreshed, and I don't have any dry patches or itchiness. And especially the skin around my ears, like above my ears, is really hard to treat, and that has completely calmed down, is in less red. So I love this treatment for the scalp. Last is coconut milk hair mask. So you need coconut milk. It comes in a jar sold at the grocery store, and I also apply it the same way I apply aloe vera. So with a hair dye brush and in a cup, you just literally pour the coconut milk into a cup or a bowl, and then just apply it all throughout your scalp and to the hair. This is more of a hair mask. I like to focus it more on the middle of my hair and the ends because it's so nourishing, and it brings life and shine like no tomorrow to the hair, plus makes it super soft. The last thing I want to mention is my little coconut oiling hair treatment I have been doing for years. Show you how I coconut oil my hair. So you're going to need organic unrefined virgin coconut oil and a hair dye brush. I found mine at Dollar Tree. So I started scooping the solid product or solid coconut oil into the hair dye brush, but just save yourself time and melt it down in a different container, then fill up the bottle. So what I do is I start splitting up my hair, working it on the top of my roots and my scalp. And what I love about this hair dye brush is that it's obviously not dye when you press down the comb. It's the oil, but it distributes the oil so evenly. So when I get to the middle and the ends of my hair, I know that all of the oil is getting brushed through every strand, and I feel like it works a lot better. So I leave this in for 40 minutes, and then I'm using a Japanese shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo gets so sudsy and the conditioner smells so nice, like fruit. This is the next day after I let it air dry and I styled it like normal. Let's talk about the ingredients. Rosemary is great for growth and strength. It's a natural plant that grows the hair. It's all natural with no chemical. It brings life back to the hair. So you can also use rosemary essential oils. I will link everything in my Amazon storefront, but this is also great to apply to the scalp. But even better is the Morel rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil. This is a rosemary oil strengthened with vitamins and biotin in it, which really helps to grow the hair. I also really love rosemary tonics and hair waters. The one by Bloom is great, and also a more Pacific root enhancer is awesome. And then rosemary hair mask, Morel rosemary, and then rosemary mint type strengthening hair masks are my favorite as well. The next thing we're going to talk about is aloe vera. So aloe vera refreshes and soothes, especially the scalp and the skin on the scalp. I don't really have any hair treatments that I like to use. I honestly like to consume aloe vera. So I like to take it in vitamin form. This is the brand I like. I'll link it down below. And as far as coconut milk / oil, this moisturizes and nourishes your hair. Coconut oil brings life back to your hair. And as far as these treatments, products I don't really use with the ingredients, I just stick to the coconut milk and coconut oil that's edible. It just works way too good. So whether I'm curling my hair, using heat on it, I can always trust that my hair is going to be at its healthiest state and I can style it the way I want doing these natural treatments. Natural treatments are so effective. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.